Morning. Well, it's well before stupid o'clock this morning. That's because I've been kind of asked to do a family member's wedding photos later on today. Well, in about 4 hours to be precise. It's not something I want to do or really am looking forward to. Obviously they've seen my photos before and like them, so they kind of have presumed that I can do wedding photography. Now I've said, look, it's something I've never done before. I don't even really shoot people. I haven't shot many photos even of my kids. So I said, get yourself a professional photographer and I don't mind coming along and, you know, taking some extra shots for you. And it's a bit of experience for me, just to see what it turns out like. So the reason I've come out really early is I've had a bit of gas this week and I spent a bit of money. I bought a new coat because my other coat was too thick, too heavy for this kind of weather now. So new coat, a new slide strap for my camera because the other one was too thin. Some new boots, the other ones were letting in water. And I've ordered a teleconverter, which I was umming and ahhing about the other week and I decided not to buy it. So I bought a Sony Rode to Go wireless mic. So hopefully the sound's better, because another thing I did was last week I went and took some video. And when I got home, some of the video clips, the sound was terrible and some of the video clips hadn't recorded properly. So I thought, you know, I'm trying to do this YouTube channel. I need to try and make it a little bit more professional looking. So by going out and buying a Rode 2 mic, I thought it'll force me to use my other camera to do the video work. That way, it should all look a little bit better. Well, that's the plan. It's the first test with the mic, so fingers crossed I've got it all set up right and it's working. So I've come over Ladywood Walk just for a couple of hours. And I haven't actually gone onto the walk yet. I'm going up to a bridge. This bridge up here, they have some lines going over the river, which I've explained about before, and all the swallows and swifts have come back at the moment. So I'm hoping that there's some of those on the poles and on the lines, because last year there was loads of them on there. So I'm just going to have a quick walk up here first. Then I might have a quick walk up, see if I can see the kingfisher. And then I'll do maybe an hour round the reserve. So enough talking, let's go and have a look. Well, I don't know if you can see really, but behind me there's some lines. I think they're telegraph poles, not the electric ones there, the other ones. And last year there was loads of swifts or swallows all on those lines diving into the lake, into the river, getting all the insects. I think it was a bit later on in the year, if I'm honest, but there are swifts and swallows about now. So I thought I'd come up and have a look, see if they were there, but they're not. But it is really early in the morning, and although I can hear all the birds, I haven't really seen many yet. So while I'm up this way, I'm going to have a walk up to where people have told me where the kingfisher is, where I've seen him a few times, in this little kind of little pool that where the water drains away from the river. I'm going to go and have a look up there while I'm up here, just to see if I can see him. Well, this is the little pool where the kingfisher hangs out, and I've seen him on that kind of tree a few times and on that kind of branch there, but nothing here this morning. I'm going to give it 10 minutes, I think, because, as I said, I haven't really got the time today to spend a lot of time waiting. I want to get a few photos, but while I've been standing here, I've just missed some good shots. There was an egret flying. Well, I was looking down for the kingfisher, and the egret was flying around. I think it wanted to land, but seen me. I thought no, and then I looked down that path down there, and there was a muntjac deer waiting to come up, but it seen me and changed its mind. So I missed them two little shots, which would have been nice. Never mind. It doesn't help that these stingers are quite high up now. But no, I'm not going to waste any more time, I don't think, today, because I haven't got much of it. So I'm going to have a walk down to the reserve for an hour. So I'm over the reserve now. I took my first photo. It was only a seagull. I've seen a lot of deer coming out of the bushes, but having a camera on the tripod's a pain, because I'm walking around with that. I see something and I have to like put the tripod down, pick my camera up, and by then it's gone. That's why I used to kind of like using my phone to do the video, but nah, I've got to stop that because it just comes out looking crap. I know. So I've been into one hide, the first hide. I have to start remembering the names of them around here. And there's nothing in there. Every time I've been in, I haven't seen anything. So I'm going to go up to the second hide where the most action seems to happen for me. And I've got to keep an eye on that time, haven't I? I've got to be home by 10:30. It's 7:30. Right, I'm at the Riverwalk hide again, and I think this is the best hide here, but lately all I seem to get photos of here is cormorants. So I'll give it half hour here, see what I can see, and try not to take too many photos of cormorants again, because that's all I seem to take here, and I'm getting a bit sick of taking photos of them. Well, it's really quiet here today. I don't know if it's because I'm too early. I've found that lately with bird photography that the earlier you go out, there's not a lot about. I find around 11 o'clock's kind of like the sweet spot. I've missed a few decent shots as well, I think. Every time I try and do a video, a plane flies over. Yeah, it's been really quiet this morning. Haven't really seen much at all. Not even no little birds in the trees. So I'm going to finish off the little walk. I'm going to do a little bit of a path that I haven't done before. It's kind of like through the woods. The reason I haven't done it before is because my old boots used to just leak. Well, they didn't leak, they just water just used to go through the top of them. They weren't really waterproof enough. So I'm going to do that little bit of a walk. And like I said earlier, I'll probably just show you photos that I've taken over the last week or two. Even there, odd shots. Just to get them off my computer, because I was kind of saving them for some videos and I didn't really know where to put them. So I'll just do that. And any other photos I come across, which I don't think will be many. I have come up with a few ideas on what I will do in future videos. One of my followers on YouTube asked me the other day what I thought about upgrading from the a7R4 to the a7 IV and what my thoughts on it. And we started talking a bit on Instagram, passing on kind of like my 10 cents. And he sent me one of his raw files over, which I wanted to have a look at, you know, to have a bit of a play with. And I was impressed. But I'll touch upon that and my thoughts on another video. I'm off all this week, and I really do plan on going somewhere where I can get some landscape photography done, because I'm really itching to get back and do a little bit of that. I haven't really kind of worked out where I'm going to go yet, but I'll find somewhere. So yeah, that's it really. It's been a bit of a quiet one with regards to photos around here today. I think I've took about 10. Fingers crossed though, I'm only like halfway around, so I might see something on the last half. Where the camera's pointing now, you'll see like a small hole in the tree. To the right of the tree is a woodpecker, and in the hole is a baby woodpecker. He's just stuck his head out now, you probably just about see it. I could swap over lenses and show you a bit more better quality with the video, but I'm short for time. So I've took a few shots. I was kind of hoping the woodpecker, the big woodpecker, would go around the front, but he doesn't seem to be doing that. But another bird just flew up, so I'm hoping it's the other woodpecker, because I did see one fly off as soon as I got here. I always say when I go out, I don't mind if I don't get a lot of photos, as long as I get one good one. I think I just got a decent one of the woodpecker and the baby woodpecker. So it was worth getting up at 5 o'clock, 10 to 5 this morning. It's going to be a long day. I don't know what time I'm probably coming back from that wedding later. But I really have got to crack on. There's one more hide. I'm going to spend 10 minutes in there, then I'm done. Well, I've just took the mic off now, put it all away. I'm heading home. So until next time, thanks for watching.